Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden key to unlocking your dreams faster? Something the universe has been waiting for you to discover? Imagine a life where your desires don't just stay dreams, but manifest quickly and effortlessly. What if I told you this isn't a fantasy, but a reality you can achieve? Stick with me, because today we're diving into a profound secret shared by Neville Goddard, a man whose teachings have transformed countless lives. The secret could change everything for you, too. Neville Goddard was no ordinary thinker. He was a visionary who uncovered the untapped power of the human mind. His methods weren't just about daydreaming. They were a revolutionary approach to using imagination as a tool to shape your reality. Many have heard his name, but few truly grasp the depth of his wisdom. In this video, I'll reveal one of his most powerful insights, a little-known technique that holds the potential to accelerate your manifestations like nothing else. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to align your thoughts and emotions with your deepest desires, overcome the barriers holding you back, and finally unlock the life you've been dreaming of. You'll discover why some people manifest effortlessly while others struggle, and how you can join the first group starting today. And here's the twist. This isn't about working harder or doing more. It's about doing something different, something almost magically. But here's the catch. The key isn't just in knowing this secret. It's in applying it the right way. That's where most people falter. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the exact steps Neville Goddard taught, steps that have remained hidden from mainstream advice. These steps are deceptively simple, but their power lies in precision and practice. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, are you ready to learn the secret that can make your manifestations not just a possibility, but an inevitable reality? Then grab a notebook, open your mind, and stay tuned till the very end. Every moment of this video is designed to inspire, empower, and guide you to manifest faster than you ever thought possible. Welcome to Kona Noise, where we dive deep into the incredible world of manifestation, the law of attraction, and self-discovery. If you're passionate about unlocking the power of your mind and transforming your life, you've found the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing insights. Now, let's get started. The core of Neville Goddard's teachings lies in a simple yet profound concept: living in the end. This principle isn't just about wishing for something. It's about embodying the reality of your desire as if it has already come true. Neville believed that imagination is the foundation of creation, and that the mind doesn't distinguish between what is real and what is vividly imagined. When you feel the joy, gratitude, or excitement of already having your desire, you shift your energy to match that reality. This idea transforms the way we approach our goals Instead of focusing on the absence of what we want, we immerse ourselves in the state of having it. Picture this. If you want to manifest wealth, don't dwell on not having money. Instead, visualize yourself living as if you already have financial abundance. Feel the freedom, the security, and the satisfaction of a wealthy life. These emotions imprint themselves on your subconscious mind, which then works tirelessly to bring that reality into existence. Your belief system plays a crucial role in this process. Neville taught that belief is the bridge between imagination and reality. It's not enough to merely see the outcome in your mind. You must trust it deeply. Think of it as planting a seed. Once you've planted it, you don't keep digging it up to check if it's growing. You water it, nurture it, and believe it will bloom. Similarly, when you live in the end, you trust the universe to align circumstances, people, and events to make your vision a reality. What makes this method so powerful is its simplicity. Many of us get stuck in the how of achieving our desires. Neville's approach eliminates that stress. By living in the end, you let go of the need to control every detail. Instead, you focus solely on the feeling of fulfillment, allowing the how to unfold naturally. Why does the principle of living in the end work so effectively? The answer lies in the powerful connection between your thoughts, emotions, and the outcomes they create. Every thought you have sends a signal to your subconscious mind, and when that thought is infused with emotion, it becomes a command. The subconscious mind, which governs much of our behavior and perception, doesn't judge whether a belief is true or false. It simply acts on the assumptions you hold deeply. This is where the magic of living in the end begins to reveal itself. When you vividly imagine your desired reality and feel the emotions as if it's already yours, you're feeding your subconscious mind with new instructions. It starts working behind the scenes, aligning circumstances, opportunities, and even people to reflect your inner state. This isn't about programming your inner world to manifest your outer reality. Emotions are the fuel that powers this process. A thought without emotion is like a car without gas. It has potential, but can't go anywhere. When you combine a clear mental image of your goal with strong feelings of joy, gratitude, or confidence, you energize that vision. Your subconscious then treats this emotional state as evidence that your desire is real and begins to shift your actions, beliefs, and environment to match. Consider this. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil, ready to grow whatever seeds you plant. Those seeds are your assumptions, beliefs about what is possible and what you deserve. If you assume abundance, health, or love, your subconscious nurtures those seeds until they blossom in your life. Conversely, if you feed it with doubt or fear, it will reflect those emotions too. This is why Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of imagining from the outcome, not just imagining the outcome. It's about embodying the reality, not yearning for it. By mastering this connection between thoughts, emotions, and the subconscious mind, you unlock a profound ability to shape your world. Applying Neville Goddard's secret requires more than just understanding it. You must actively practice it. The process begins with visualization. Close your eyes and vividly imagine your goal as if it's already achieved. Don't just see it. Immerse yourself in the experience. Imagine the sights, sounds, and sensations of this reality. For example, if your desire is financial freedom, visualize yourself enjoying the life it brings, perhaps traveling, living in your dream home, or sharing your abundance with others. Next, focus on your emotions. This is where the true power lies. Align your feelings with the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction of having already achieved your desire. The more real these emotions feel, the more effective this practice becomes. Instead of longing for what you want, feel as though it's already yours. Your emotional state must match the reality you're creating. If your emotions waver, return to your visualization and immerse yourself again. Faith is the final and most crucial step. You must maintain unwavering belief in your desired outcome. Doubt is the enemy of manifestation. It sends conflicting messages to your subconscious mind, delaying or even blocking your progress. Each time doubt creeps in, remind yourself that the process is already working. Trust that the universe is aligning everything perfectly for you, even if the results aren't visible yet. Consistency in belief and feeling is the key to manifesting faster. Many people struggle with manifestation because of common mistakes that seem small but have a significant impact. One major error is inconsistency in visualization. Instead of maintaining a clear and steady image of their desired outcome, people often let their focus shift. They visualize one thing today and something slightly different tomorrow, creating confusion in the subconscious mind. Consistency is crucial. Your mind needs a singular, unwavering blueprint to work from. Doubt is another stumbling block. When people don't see immediate results, they start questioning whether the process is working. This doubt sends mixed signals to the subconscious, undoing the progress made through visualization and emotional alignment. Trust is vital. Even if results aren't visible yet, the process is still unfolding. Another mistake is letting external circumstances dictate your feelings. People often allow negative experiences or delays to lower their vibration, pulling them further from their desired state. To avoid this, practice emotional resilience. Whenever you face challenges, return to your visualization and reconnect with the joy of having already achieved your goal. Lastly, many people focus too much on the how. They get caught up in figuring out every step needed to reach their goal, which often leads to frustration. Neville Goddard emphasized trusting the process and leaving the how to the universe. Focus solely on the end result and the feelings it brings, and let the universe handle the details. To stay aligned, build a daily routine around these practices. Dedicate time to visualize with strong emotions. Affirm your faith in the process. And remind yourself that your current circumstances are temporary. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your mind and emotions aligned with your desires. Neville Goddard often reminded his audience of the boundless power within each of us. His lectures were filled with hope, urging people to persist in their beliefs and trust the process of manifestation. He taught that faith is not just passive hope, it is an active, living state of mind. Neville emphasized that persistence in imagining the end result, no matter how impossible it might seem, is a key to success. He encouraged people to see themselves as creators of their reality. Do not waver, he would say, reminding us that setbacks are temporary and often just illusions, reflecting past beliefs. To Neville, the present moment was a gift, a chance to realign with our vision and step into the life we desire. He reminded his students to trust that the subconscious mind works tirelessly once it has received clear, consistent instructions. Neville also spoke passionately about gratitude and belief. To him, gratitude wasn't just a polite habit. It was a state of deep awareness that your manifestation was already on its way. By feeling gratitude now, you strengthen your connection to your goal and open the door to greater abundance. In every lecture, Neville's message was the same. You are the operant power. Your ability to imagine, believe, and persist is the only tool you need to shape your world. He reassured his listeners that the universe always responds to clear, heartfelt intentions, so long as you maintain faith and refuse to let doubt creep in. In conclusion, living in the end is the ultimate key to manifesting your desires faster. By vividly visualizing your goals, aligning your emotions with the joy of already having them, and maintaining unwavering faith, you activate the incredible power of your subconscious mind. The process is simple yet profound. Your thoughts and feelings shape your reality. Practice these steps consistently and watch how your life transforms. Share your experiences with this technique in the comments. We'd love to hear your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mei-Che, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing insights.